open any browser, search Brave on Google, click on brave.com, click on download Brave. It will download Brave installer. After download, click on it. Give permission to install. Now the installer downloading the setup file and installing the browser. After complete the installation, it will automatically open the browser. You may import bookmarks and settings from your existing browser, but for now I am going to skip it. To get rewards for getting ads as a notification, click on Start using rewards. Click Rewards Settings. Select 10 ads per hour. Stop auto contribution. Thank you and enjoy it. To open a Coinmarketcap account to get airdrop, go to coinmarketcap.com. The Brave browser is automatically blocks ads and trackers. The tick mark means you enabled Brave rewards. To create a Coinmarketcap account, click Sign Up. Enter your email ID. For example, I am typing your email at server.com. Give a strong password. And please enter my referral ID. AWUA3XNM. Click Create an account. For security verification, click and drag the item to proper location. Coinmarketcap replied, "We have sent you an activation email to your email ID with an activation link. Follow the instruction to complete account registration." Thank you. Enjoy it.